Hello students, let's start our study of social science standard 8. Chapter number 2, what is around us. In this chapter we have discussed about the hydrosphere, lithosphere, and in the previous video we are discussing about the atmosphere. In this sphere we have discussed about what is atmosphere. The sphere of earth that traps the earth from all sides is called atmosphere. Let us recall some points of atmosphere and then we will continue. Now, atmosphere is composed of various gases, water vapor, dust particles, smoke, salt, microorganisms, etc. Now, atmosphere contains approximately 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other gases. Now, here the carbon dioxide gas is heavy, so it is found more in the lower layer of the air. Now, here we also discussed about the ozone gas. Ozone gas comprises of a very small proportion in the air, and ozone gas absorbs the ultraviolet rays from the sun and protects the earth from excessive heat of sun. And this gas is more proportion in the morning and in the open ground and in the air near the sea. Now here the gases like oxygen and nitrogen keeps the living creature on the earth alive. ऑक्सीजन और नाइट्रोजन गैस की वजह से जो अर्थ के ऊपर लिविंग क्रिएचर्स जिंदा रह सकते हैं. नाइट्रोजन reduces the intensity of oxygen. Now here what is moisture? Due to heat, the water in the form of vapor evaporates and mixes with air, which is known as moisture. That also we have discussed in the previous video. The process of cooling of vapor is called condensation. Now the effect of atmosphere seen on human beings in every aspect of life, such as in their food habits, clothing, habitat, कलर, इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ एक्सेट्रा. ये जो एटमॉस्फेयर की जो इफ़ेक्ट है तो ह्यूमन बीइंग जो होते हैं उनकी कौन कौन सी चीज़ों पर, उनकी लाइफ में कौन कौन से चेंजेस आते हैं, कौन कौन सी चीज़ों पर उसकी जो एटमॉस्फेयर है उसका असर होता है. तो सच एज इन देयर फूड हैबिट्स, clothing, habitat, color, economic activities, etc. Now let's start with the another paragraph. Many dust particles are seen in the atmosphere. Atmosphere में बहुत सारे dust particles दिखाई देते हैं. Spreading of sun rays are visible due to these particles. जो हमें sun rays दिखाई देते हैं जैसे spreading of sun rays, तो वो किसकी वजह से दिखाई देते हैं? तो आर विजिबल ड्यू टू दीज पार्टिकल्स. दिस डस्ट पार्टिकल्स की वजह से हम सन रेज देख सकते हैं. इट इज़ ड्यू टू डस्ट पार्टिकल्स दैट इट डज नॉट सडनली टर्न डार्क आफ्टर द सनसेट एंड इट डज नॉट सडनली टर्न ब्राइट आफ्टर द सनराइज. इट इज़ ड्यू टू डस्ट पार्टिकल्स, ये जो डस्ट पार्टिकल है उसकी वजह से दैट इट डज नॉट सडनली टर्न डार्क after the sunset and it does not suddenly turn bright after the sunrise. मीन्स जो सनराइज है मीन्स सूर्योदय के समय अचानक से उजाला नहीं हो जाता, और जब सनसेट होता है मीन्स सूर्यास्त होता है तो अचानक से अंधेरा नहीं हो जाता. ऐसा क्यों है? ड्यू टू डस्ट पार्टिकल्स. द sun rays are reflected back with the help of these dust particles on the surface of the earth and we receive the light of the sun. We are able to listen to the sound due to the presence of atmosphere. हम साउंड सुन सकते हैं, आवाज़ें सुन सकते हैं, तो किसकी वजह से? तो ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर, एटमॉस्फेयर की प्रेजेंस की वजह से. That is why radio and Doordarshan telecast is possible. This radio and Doordarshan telecast is also possible due to atmosphere. Now here the picture is given: hydrosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere and biosphere. Now the next topic is biosphere. The part of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere where the living world exists is known as biosphere. What is biosphere? The part of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere where the living world exists is known as biosphere. ये जो पृथ्वी के ऊपर जो ज़मीन का आवरण है, पानी का आवरण है और एटमॉस्फेयर है, हवा का आवरण है, उसी की वजह से जो जीवन है वो पॉसिबल है अर्थ पे. तो उसकी वजह से जो भी लिविंग वर्ल्ड एग्जिस्ट है पृथ्वी पर उसे बायोस्फीयर कहा जाता है, मीन्स जीवावरण कहा जाता है. बायोस्फीयर इज़ वन ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट स्फीयर्स ऑन अर्थ. It is very important spheres on earth and earth is the only planet in the solar system having biosphere. Only earth ही एक planet है जिसके ऊपर ये biosphere है. Biosphere includes vegetation, animals, insects and human beings. Biosphere में क्या क्या आता है? तो vegetation mean वनस्पतियाँ, animals, insects and human beings. We obtain food and many other necessary things from biosphere. We cannot live without vegetation and animals. हम vegetation और animals के बिना नहीं जी सकते. Biosphere is the base of our existence and living. Biosphere की वजह से ही हमारा existence है, हम जी सकते हैं. It is divided into two parts, non-living and living. This biosphere is divided into two parts, non-living and living. Lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere form the non-living part, and while plants, animals and microorganisms are included in the living world. Now here our four topics have completed: lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere, right? Okay, now you have to write the definitions of these four spheres. Now I have underlined the sentences and this is the definition of lithosphere. You have to write the definition of four spheres: atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere and lithosphere. The first is lithosphere. You have to write the sphere on which we live is known as lithosphere. Litho means rock and sphere means layer. Okay, you have to write this in your notebook. Definition of these four spheres. Hydrosphere. What is hydrosphere? The hydrosphere is the liquid component of the earth. It includes the oceans, seas, lakes, ponds, rivers and streams. Okay. The third one, atmosphere, means the sphere of air that wraps the earth from all sides is called atmosphere. It extends approximately up to 1600 km from the surface of the earth. Okay. And the last is biosphere, means the part of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere where the living world exists is known as biosphere. These four definitions you have to write in your notebook. Okay, thank you. We will continue in the next session.